Celebrity chef and lifestyle expert Chef Jamie Gwen is serving up her best secrets for stress-free holiday entertaining. From crowd-pleasing recipes and clever time-saving hacks to tips for adding a festive twist to every dish. Jamie's expertise will inspire us to host with confidence and flavor. Hello, Chef.
Chef Jamie Gwen here. This holiday season, my favorite way to save time is by using Alouette cheeses. They're chef-inspired, they're creamy and flavorful. You can put them on a plate straight from the fridge, plus they're resealable to keep the cheese fresh and delicious. Make a bite-sized app like my steak crostini with a smear of Alouette garlic and herbs soft spreadable cheese, or wow, with this warm double creme brie with cranberry chutney, pistachios, and honey. Look for Alouette in the deli aisle. A great staple to have on hand when entertaining is olives, and I am a Pearls olives fan because not all olives are created equal. This is my charcuterie tree with all the festive flavors of the season, salami and crackers, fruit and nuts. But my favorite touch is the Pearls specialties, the garlic stuffed olives, the Kalamata, and Pearls ripe, all-natural black olives. You can always count on the quality of Pearls. Each olive is hand-picked, hand-stuffed, and hand-packed. From their traditional black olives to their full line of imported specialties, it's the perfect choice to add flavor to your holiday meal. And if you want to dress up your table this year, why not make an edible centerpiece? I'm making this donut wreath. I use sour cream cake donuts, my favorite, on a foam wreath with toothpicks to adhere them, and then fresh cranberries and a little bit of greenery. If you love a buttery Madeleine cookie like I do, make a Madeleine cookie tree on a foam cone with a star. And did you know that if you cut the top off of a pineapple and turn it upside down, it looks like a Christmas tree? Be sure to flock it with a little bit of powdered sugar. For delicious recipes and inspiration, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Chef.